Greetings and salutations and welcome to another video. I promise you this will probably be the last not Inventor video for a little bit, just because this is just me getting started back up. Now I'll be back at college when this goes live, and this is all about Autodesk University, or as AU, as the Autodesk people and people around it know it as. So if you don't know what AU is a big conference that happened all over the world. The biggest one's in Las Vegas, and there's usually some product announcements, but there's also loads of big talks, classes, lectures, those kind of things that if you want to go in and bolster your skills at Autodesk software and the industry in general, then it's really worth going. There'll obviously be some like big up people from Autodesk there, but there's also some really good people from the community going there, and this is more just saying, hey, I've proposed a class, and when voting goes live, if you're interested, please vote for it, because it means that I get to go to AU as well, because unfortunately being a student means I can't really afford the price of, I think, £750 to £1,000 a ticket, whereas if I can propose a class and go there and actually do a bit of work for it, then that's kind of cool. And I also love teaching Inventor and working with people on Inventor. It's a bit of a passion of mine. So what is my Inventor class? Well, it's a completely back to basics. Those who want to have a play around with Inventor who've never used 3D CAD, so they can do more stuff like 3D printing. They could get like 3D printing, modeling, designing, just learn the skills involved, because if you can learn 3D CAD, then you can learn it regardless of what product you use, even go to a non-Autodesk product if you really have to. But obviously you can start in Inventor, go to Fusion, and have a bit of a dabble around, play around, do a good covering stuff, parts, assemblies, meshes, features. It's going to be really fun. There's going to be plenty of opportunity to have a go. It's not going to be a pure directed one. It's going to be, here's how to use it, now utilize it, and we move along the lines to eventually you actually get something more out of it. Sketching, annotating, and assemblies, as well as also maybe a little bit on drawing, but not too much. It's just going to be a super good primer, jumpstart to springboard you into Inventor and 3D CAD in general. Now, if it does go well, then and I do get through, then, well, I basically have to pass the review, then it goes to voting. If people are voting, then I get the class, which is good. But then you can also put in through here, and then all the classes will go live here. So basic primer, and you get to look it up later. So thank you for listening. I'll see you next video. Goodbye.